Hey friends, welcome back to my channel DIY Savvy Mommy, and welcome if you're new here. I'm Kshitij and I make DIYs, art, home decor and lifestyle videos. And today I'm making faith-based DIYs and it is a part of playlist. It's hosted by Michelle from Moxie DIY and Java. And there are so many other creators participating as well, so I have linked her channel as well as the playlist for the other creators who are participating today. So let's start with the DIY. Today I'm making a nativity themed beaded DIY, and for that I've taken a small piece of felt fabric, and this already has a backing, a sticker backing at the back, but I'm not going to use it. And first of all, I hand sketched a nativity scene with baby Jesus, Mother Mary and Joseph. Then I started using beads, and accordingly I'm going to place the beads according to the design. And here you can see that I started first with the white seed beads, and I'm going to make the star first. Then I started with Mother Mary. So I'm using different colors of beads to make the dresses of Mother Mary, Infant Jesus and Joseph. So I'll start with Mother Mary's figurine first. So I've taken a blue long beads, and I'm just threading them and measuring according to the image that is there, and one by one I'm just threading it into the felt fabric like so. Now, often when we start beading from one corner to the other, we need to take the number of beads that is going to fit into that space. So I'm just counting how many should fit within the space that I'm doing currently, and I'm going to just start from one corner and finish with the needle going inside at the end. And from here I'm going to take some space between the beads, that is 3 beads or 2 beads depending on how long is your bead chain. And I'm going to just make vertical stitches over, making vertical loops over the beads so that the beads stay intact. And I'm not going to do it between every bead. I'm just going to do it between 3 or 4 beads so that the beads stay intact and the overall finish looks nice. I hope I haven't confused you and whatever I just said makes sense. It is basically making small stitches after every 3 bead or 4 bead depending on how long your design is, so that the beads stay in place. So we make small vertical loops over the bead and they are not visible. They just go in between the 2 beads, so it's not visible, but yes, they definitely help the beads to stay put. And here I have started making the hair part of Mother Mary, and for that I've taken black beads. I'm sorry with the voice, I'm sounding horrible, but still, let's move on further. So I'm using whatever colored beads I had at hand. Definitely anyone who does beading projects more would have more variety and more different kinds of better varieties of beads, but this is more of a hobby for me. I have recently started doing beaded work, and I'm using a combination of seed beads and these pipe beads in various colors. I think the colors look really beautiful, and the face of Mother Mary is almost done. I hope you can see it clearly. And for the outline, I'm taking a dark blue seed bead and I'm doing the outline is basically gives a little bit of shape and makes it a little neat for the project, because different beads have different cuts, and not to, even though they are machine cut, not everyone is the exact same size or shape. So making an outline definitely makes a project more neat. So here you can see what I was talking about earlier, that giving some space between the beads. I'm just moving my needle from one bead to the other, from top to bottom. In between beads I'm just locking, making these locks, vertical loops, so that the bead stays intact. This is a very good way to secure your beads, so that even if you accidentally cut some stitches, your bead stays intact, and then you can repair your stitch. So the Mother Mary figurine is almost done, and I'm going to start with Joseph's figurine. Here I've used long pipe beads in the color copper. Copper, I think it's bronze, I'm not so sure. Anyways, the brown color, I really like the color, so I'm using the brown color, and the dress will again be white color. So with the same technique, I'm going to just fill in the entire figurine. So do you like beading work, and have you ever tried beaded work? Let me know in the comment section below. And if yes, how do you find it? Is it tough? Is it time taking? So yeah, let me know in the comments. I'm currently just obsessed with these little seed beads and Miyuki beads. So they are just taking so much of space in my craft stash, but I'm just loving them, because I'm a very bling loving person. I just love anything shiny, sparkly. Also, if you enjoy watching different kinds of art forms, and different varieties and types of DIYs, you can check out my channel. I try to make different kinds of DIYs, not some, I mean every kind of DIY, every new DIY I try to make or do something new. So check out the channel. If you like what I do, please do subscribe. If you like this video, please hit the like button. I am really thankful. Thanksgiving just passed by yesterday, so I'm really thankful to each and every one of you stopping by, watching, and leaving your beautiful comments. Believe me, I am so thankful to all of you. So here you can see that I have almost completed Joseph, and this is the final reveal. Baby infant Jesus is on the crib, sleeping quietly on a silent night. So I just glued this felt sheet on a wooden piece, and I placed it on my bedside, and here it is, looking so gorgeous. It was definitely time taking, but I love it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I shall see you very soon in the next video. Bye bye and take care.